Hi! In front of me is REALME 9 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock icon and tap on it. Now select alarm at the bottom left corner and click on this plus icon. After that, you need to set up an hour. When you're ready, you can click on rig once or custom. If you want to choose custom, you need to select repeat and pick days of the week. When you're ready, just go back. Now tap on alarm name and label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. Then click on those switchers next to vibrate and snooze to disable or enable those features and tap on ringtone. Now you can click on weather adaptive, select one of those system ringtones, or tap on this device. Then tap on the song that you wish to set up and go back. Now go back again and click on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can switch it off by clicking on the switcher next to it and tapping on one of those options. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it. Then select delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to adjust small alarm settings, you need to click on those three dots at the top right corner, select settings and adjust all of them however you wish to. Like for example, ring duration. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!